Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Hope you all have received the case study for test 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, yeah, can you expect what type of questions can come from that case study? Can you guess? Maybe the last paragraph should help you to guess what might be the question from that case study. So before that, so you can let me know the type of questions that we have taken in module 4 and module 5, and probably we can figure out the important questions from that, because 2 modules may be a bit heavy for you, but let us see. Probably if any of you can help me with the type of questions what we have in module 4, module 5 that you have taken, probably we can identify the important questions from that. So I need some questions from module 4, module 5. So any of you can help me with that. Do you have questions with you?
Yeah, sir. We have module 5 questions, sir.
Yeah, if you can help me show me
sir.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. I'll share the screen.
Yes.
Sir, I'm sharing the screen now.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, can you able to see?
Okay, yes. What is compile? This is module 5, no? If we have, we can show with module 4. We let us go in order.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, module 4 you can start with. Okay. So what is a macro processor? Explain its functions. Or explain the following. See, this question we have seen most of the question papers. So probably, so first disclaimer is all the questions are important from exam point of view. I am just giving to reduce your burden for the test perspective. So don't neglect the other questions. Okay, that is a disclaimer. So with that, the first question probably you can keep for test as well, because that has been asked in many examinations. Probably we'll also consider for test. The first question you can keep with you. data structures and algorithm for microprocessor. That is also important. Then coming to the third question out of 7, let us pick the first. 1 second. Microprocessors. First one we can take concatenation of macro parameters. Probably conditional macro expansion, that also we can take. Keyword also required. And the last one, macroprocessor with language translators. So concatenation, conditional, keyword, macroprocessors with language translators. These 4 we can keep for short notes. The remaining 2, let us not go with the MASM and ANSYS. We can avoid them because they are only macro processor perspective. If it is a compiler and all linker, we would have taken those real-time examples. But right now, let us not worry too much about them because already you have seen MASM. There is no point in investing again MASM here now. It's just how macro processor works. And C, you know. So from test point of view, let us not worry about those 2. So first question, second question, under third, concatenation, conditional, keyword, macro processor with language translators. So recursive macro expansion is many times asked in examination, but I am skipping this because it is only how you use your argument table along with how internal expansion happens. So right now I am not going for the, because already conditional macro expansion is taken care. So recursive should not be a much problematic, but let us not worry about recursive at this point of time, but it is very, very important from exam perspective. So concatenation, conditional, keyword, macro processors with language translators will be the possible questions from module 4 for the test. So may I have module 5.
Yes, sir. Once again.
Yeah. Okay, so in compilation, probably those 3 stages, lexical analysis is important. So lexical analysis with automata, that is second question, probably we can take. Next, lexical analysis, after that we have a parsing. So parsing, we have techniques top down and bottom up. So probably you can look at bottom up approach. Bottom up approach type of parsing. Then mission dependent optimization, because mission dependent is more important than independent to understand the concept. So I prefer to go with the dependent than independent. So have mission dependent code optimization, and comparison with interpreter and compiler is important, and YAC and P code compilers, because they're all real-time examples and you should have more information on them. P code and YAC type of compilers. And one example of a parse tree. It is a part of parsing already, but better to have one example of parse tree. Given a given, let us say, a grammar, how to construct a given parse tree. So if you are thorough with the parsing, that is your bottom up, probably you should be able to get this. So this is how we can look at the concept. And the recursive macro expansion also you can keep in mind, because that becomes one of the innovative question type of requirement. So probably you can add recursive macro processing as well, which we have just now discussed, that we may not be having, but better to have that, because that becomes a room or maybe a possibility to have a innovative question from those angles. So better to look at recursive macro expansion as well, along with the conditional macro expansion. So both are fit for the innovative type of questions. So this is how we can have for the test. So any doubts in these questions, any doubts on the case study, probably you can let us know. You can throw some light on that. Else where you stopped in the previous class, we can continue. Any doubts on these questions now for the test? Vikram, I shall call you in half an hour. I finish class and call you. Yeah. Okay. Any doubts in this? No doubts? Am I audible? Any issue?
No, sir.
Yeah. No. If you have any doubts, you let me know in these questions now. Otherwise, we'll go to the any pending in the last class question papers. You have covered everything or anything pending?
Sir, shall I stop sharing?
Yes, yes. If possible, you can share only those questions that you have discussed so that everybody will have an idea.
Okay, sir. Fifth module one, shall I share?
No, both, fourth and fifth.
Okay, sir.
We have figured out for the test. Only those questions, if possible, you can write in a sheet of paper
Okay, sir.
or mark
Yes,
them and display. So let people know. So my intention is your marks are very less in second test. Now you should not be repeating the same. You should do well. And all these questions are very important from exam perspective as well. So if you put some efforts, they should be helping in both the directions. So that's the concern.
Sir, shall I share fourth module one?
Yeah.
Sir, I marked round and marked as a star.
Okay. Okay. Recursive also you have to add.
Okay, sir, I'll add.
Yes. Okay, done. Okay, fifth module you can show.
Sir, fifth module, I don't have Xerox, so I'll write and I'll send you, share you, sir.
No, you have shown, no, just now.
Sir, this is because I have this Xerox copy.
Ah,
So I marked in pen. So I don't have Xerox copy of fifth module, sir.
okay, it's online, huh?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, okay. No, anyhow, if you are understood, not an issue. Nothing to worry.
Yeah, sir.
So if you have any doubts in this, you can let me know. Otherwise, you should tell me how we can take next, because we are done with whatever we have planned. But still, if you need something to be discussed, I am okay for that. But you need to tell me what is required from you. So let me take attendance quickly meanwhile. Asta, Abhinav, Aishwarya, Ambarish, Anu,
Present, sir.
Arbaz, Arjun,
Present, sir.
Ashok, Vinita, Bhargavi,
Present, sir.
Bhavisha, Chaitra,
Present, sir.
Chatterjee, Diksha Manjunath, Deepika LG,
Present, sir.
Deepika MB,
Present, sir.
Murali Krishna, Gangubai,
Present, sir.
Priya Kumari, Harshit, Junjar Singh, Kavya, Kishore, Lata,
Yes, sir.
Manisha, Manjunath,
Yes, sir.
Nayana, Nilanjan, Nishant, Pavitra,
Present, sir.
Maithili,
Present, sir.
Priyanka,
Present.
Pavan Kumar,
Present, sir.
Akash,
Present, sir.
Rajeshwari,
Present, sir.
Rakesh,
Present, sir.
Rashmi,
Present, sir.
Ravishankar,
Yes, sir.
Rizwan, Vishal, Savita,
Yes, sir.
Shruti, Sneha,
Yes, sir.
Spurti,
Present, sir.
Srinidhi, Srinivas,
Present, sir.
Sunil,
Present, sir.
Vaishnavi,
Present, sir.
Vinny.
Present, sir.
Okay. So any doubts, you can let me know. Vinny, any doubts?
No, sir.
Understood everything?
Not everything, sir.
Huh?
Not everything.
Why?
Sir, I'm studying.
You are studying now.
Yes, sir.
Good. Vaishnavi, how about you?
Yes, sir. Studying, sir. Now.
Ah, okay. Srinivas,
Sir.
how are you preparing?
Yes, sir. I just started, sir.
Ah, because now you know that all exams will be offline. You have to come and complete both lab as well as theory.
Yes, sir.
So, how about laboratories? Any of you feeling difficulty?
We have done in a different platform in our systems.
Hmm.
There may be a different thing in the college.
No, don't worry about platform. So, for example, if it is a Python compiler or whatever, it is going to be same, no?
Yes, sir. But in ADA we have C, right?
No, C or C++, you have liberty. We are
Yes, sir.
promoting C++ so that we will do something, but C or C++ are fine, no issue.
Yes, sir. That only. Sir has done in Python.
Okay, ADA was done in Python.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have done in Windows.
Linux, sir.
No, Windows. Python or
Sorry,
Linux,
sir.
ADA was done in
ADA
Linux.
was done in Fedora.
okay.
I have done C in Windows.
It's okay. No, what is there? Nothing to worry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, there is no restriction that we have to do in Windows or Linux. We want you to do in Linux. Even from first semester, we have been asking you to do, because Windows is not a big deal. Linux, we want you to learn more. That was only concept. It doesn't mean that you should not do anything in Windows. No, we are not against that.
Sir, but in few problems we have to take the graph.
Hmm.
In Windows we can't do that. Only in Linux.
You see, graph, Linux, of course, that is an inbuilt tool. Worst case, you can take the data and draw a graph. What is there? That's all. We want a tool to do fine, but Windows, you are not explored that, no? Because you don't have that X graph facility probably.
Yeah, sir.
So what you can do is you can go to Excel sheet, put the data, Draw the chart and show.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
That's all. Otherwise, okay. Are comfortable for lab exams? They will start from 18th, I believe.
Sir,
Rajesh,
when is
yeah,
lab exam, sir?
from 18th onwards, no?
February, sir.
Huh? January.
Sir, they told like from January 21st will start from
21st.
theory.
21st to 27th lab. Not 18th. 21st to 27th lab. 28 to 10 theory. Theory is also timetable came, no?
Sir, it's all finalized, sir.
So in the revised one, they have said like first theory, then lab.
Which is revised?
Yes, sir.
The
Ma'am also
latest
said
one.
like that only.
Where is the revised one?
We had got a draft, sir, in the group, so we checked in that. It was
See, the draft what I have right now with me, the third semester exam, theory exam is on 21st January. It will go till 2nd February. That was released on 5th December by VTU. I'm referring to that.
Yes, sir.
So
On
after
7th,
that,
they have revised that thing, and they have released again on 7th.
Where is that? I have not seen.
Got it from video website.
Oh, is it? 1 second.
and ma'am also said, sir, from 21 onwards, we will start from theory up to like 6. From 8th onwards, they said they will conduct lab.
Okay, 1 second. Revised is released or what? Oh. If any of you do you have, you can share that. Let me go through that.
So I sent you in group, sir.
As per this, your exams are from 21st January, no? No, as per this, exams are from 21st January, right? Theory.
Yes, sir. They said for theory
Huh.
from 21st onwards.
Then what is the confusion?
After that, they will conduct lab.
Okay. Okay, you're talking about when theory, when lab.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, now it is beginning from theory, correct? Not lab first, it is only theory first. 21st to 2nd February. right? Okay. Now that is only timetable. That is not revised now. That is a actually draft timetable that we have got, which you are referring. That's fine.
Sir, video said that like they'll release like final one.
Now in the
Like
revised
before 30th.
calendar, they are told lab first and theory later. Now with exam timetable only has been given now, where they have mentioned theory first and lab later. So probably we'll go with the theory first. I think some issue with the internet here. Yes. So hope there was some issue with internet from my end. Sorry. Yes. If you have no doubts, probably we can wind up. But you should tell me how to engage you for next class.
So
Ah,
we'll study by our own. If we have any doubts, we'll ask you.
okay. No, I have no issues. I don't want to disturb you. I don't want to waste your time. So as long as you're comfortable, fine. Since we had some bandwidth of discussing or clearing doubts, we thought we can go ahead. If you're all comfortable and you want your time to prepare, that is a good one. But you should not waste your time. Or if you have any doubts, you should be able to let us know during our regular classes, whichever is scheduled, we can discuss. For example, you have some doubts suddenly on tomorrow, you can let me know a hour before at least, or we can have those discussions being done in the class, or one-to-one you can ping me, we can discuss. Anything is okay, but you should be focusing on learning. And since theory is coming first, so probably you should put more efforts and complete theory in good marks or good preparation. So if that is the promise from you, I have no issue.
Yes, sir, we can assure that.
Okay, fine. I believe. So no doubts now. So as you study, you will get doubts. That's what you people want to say, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So probably next few days you concentrate for the third test. Do well. Maybe after the test you can start revising once. And wherever you get any doubts, please let us know. We'll try to sort them out. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Sunil.
sir, is it possible to get all question papers what you share?
ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಅದು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ PDF ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ
ಆಯ್ತು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್
ಓಕೆ
Yes, in GCR.
Yeah, I will send that. Right now I will try to send. Just sent it now. Check if you have got.